What's up, you guys? I'm back with another video. So today we're installing a CO1 add-ons wickerbill. So as you can see, I already have it set it up. I'm about to drill the hole. I'm first gonna do some pilot holes, and then I'm gonna hit it with the 3/8 to make the original holes so they can fit. Yeah, enjoy it. Turn it up. So you don't have to do this step, but I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna put some rubber on the spoiler, on the wickerbill, so over time it doesn't scratch my wing on this here on the border. So yeah, that is just an extra step you want to take. So I already put the sponge. That's how it looks. Turn it up. So this is the final product, you guys. Last night I couldn't show you because it was dark, but this is how it looks. I like the neat look of the wing.